Peace is the new flex. Not wealth, not fame, not noise. Peace, that's the real power. Anyone can make chaos, but it takes mastery to make calm. Peace is the crown that no one can take once you learn to wear it. When your nervous system is stable, your destiny becomes inevitable. Comment, "Peace is my power," if you're protecting your calm like royalty. Hashtag Cosmic Codes, hashtag Protect Your Peace, hashtag Energy Mastery, hashtag Inner Power, hashtag Sacred Flex.